Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram, proceed to your Telegram channel. Proceed to the Telegram name from the top. Proceed to channel settings. Go ahead and click on channel type. Scroll down right here. Make sure you turn on this button. Once you turn on this button, subscriber won't be able to copy, save, or forward content from this channel. Once you're done, come to the top right here, click on this check mark right here. Then click on here to complete. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Telegram channel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.